What's going on? This is Charlie from Xclusive Autoworks. And today, we are wrapping this beauty. This is a Lamborghini Huracan STO. It's one of the most spec'd out Huracans you can get. And you can see this customer actually got a crazy colorway. He's got blue and yellow all over. Also got carbon for like the vents. So like I said, we are doing PPF. We're doing the front end, and it's actually a front end plus. So it's gonna be the hood, fenders, which is actually kind of one piece on this car. You can see this is all from there to there, all one piece. There is a brake over here, and you can see the keyhole right there. There's a little key that's on the electronic key fob. You use that to undo those screws, and you can pull this whole thing up. Kind of opens like a Corvette hood. So it's going to be the front. We're also doing the mirrors, which is included in the front end, the headlights, the front splitter. He added on rockers. So this long piece down here, that's going to be covered in PPF. We're also doing this rear impact area right here, and we're doing the wing. So this is going to be interesting. So I'm going to take you through the process. First, we got to prep it, obviously. So we're going to have to wash it and clay bar it. And then after that, we're going to jump right into the film. So let's go. So first, we're starting with the wash, just using the pressure washer to go around the whole car. We're gonna loosen up any dirt that's on this car. It is pretty clean, being it's a Lamborghini, and this guy definitely takes care of his car. But we're gonna give it a good wash anyway, like always, whenever we're doing any film. So Kyle's gonna spray this with the pressure washer. We're gonna take this bucket. It's already got soap and water in there. We're gonna grab 2 microfiber towels and just wash the whole thing. All right, so we got our towels here. Just gonna grab one, kind of fold it up. There we go. Soak it in there, and then we'll just get to washing. And while I'm doing this, Kyle's gonna start the wheels. So I just finished washing the entire car, and now I'm just taking the clay mitt, and I'm gonna go over the panels that I'm PPFing. So again, light pressure, you don't wanna scratch anything. I'm gonna do this on all the panels, like I said, that are getting wrapped. All right, so we just finished washing this car. I also just dried it, used a drying rag. So we are pretty much good to go. This is going to be an insane car to wrap. There's so many little cutouts and vents and carbon, everything you could ask for. So this is going to be fun. So now I gotta head to the plotter. I'm gonna go plot all the pre-cuts. There are a few things that I am gonna pre-cut on this car, not everything. I am gonna pre-cut the rockers, wing if they have it. I might do this fender part, even though it's one piece with like the hood. I might put a seam here. It seems that's what a lot of people do when they wrap STOs. And then probably gonna do all this little stuff in the front splitter and the bumper. That blue part can be pre-cut. The front splitter pre-cut, headlights. God, I can't talk. Headlights. The vent in there. I don't know if I said that before. These little vents, mirrors. And yeah, I think that's everything that I'm gonna pre-cut. So yeah, I'm gonna go plot everything, and I'll meet you back over there, I think, to do the hood. All right, so I got everything pre-cut over here. There's 6 sheets, so 6 different pre-cuts that I'm using. And I have the hood of the STO prepped already. I actually have to use the 72 roll, which is the biggest roll you can get because of how big this panel is. So you can see I'm gonna have to cover all of this up to this body line right here. I'm gonna cut that up this line here. And then this is still part of the main hood, comes back here and down here. So that's all gonna be one piece in that middle. And I do have the pre-cuts for the side, so I'll do that after I do this main middle piece. And there definitely is a lot of trimming, so I'm gonna have my work cut out for me. All right, so I just finished the Lamborghini STO. It took me 2 days to wrap, mainly because this hood is huge and this took up the majority of the first day. This was a bulk install, so no pre-cut on the hood. So many cutouts. So I had to cut out the headlights, the vents, around that vent, pretty much all the edges. The carbon fiber on the vents, this was pre-cut, and it's all covered, every square inch. These vents here covered, so this was 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, 5 piece, 6 pieces. Here it's fully tucked in. You can't even see the seam on that bottom edge. For the badge, we usually take them off on most cars, but on this car specifically, it's actually really hard to take off. So it is cut out around it, but you can't even really see the seam. For down here, the blue piece is wrapped fully, goes all the way from one end to the other. The carbon fiber splitter wrapped completely, separate pieces, but can't even really see the seams, so that's all protected, and that is definitely going to take the brunt of rock chips whenever he's on the track or on the road. All these corners you can see, it's fully wrapped. Can't even see the edges. Mirror, we got this in 3 pieces. This was pre-cut. You do need to do this in pieces because of how aggressive it is. So this top piece is 1 piece, down here another piece, and on the side right here is a 3rd piece. The rocker panels are done. This yellow piece right here, from there all the way down to there, all 1 piece, pre-cut. This blue piece was also wrapped, and it does wrap underneath the car, which is good. So that goes end to end. We also have this little rear impact area, which will help prevent rock chips on this panel whenever he's driving from the rear tire. So that's a very important piece that people get if they plan on tracking the car. And we got the wing. So this wing was done in multiple pieces. This outer part of the blue is 1 piece, covers this whole outer part. Inner part, done in another piece, covers everything in there. This wing from here to the skinny piece, back to here, 1 piece. And this middle piece is a separate piece. Same thing for that side, and same thing for that little rear impact area. So that is gonna do it for this video. I had a great time wrapping this car. It is one of my dream cars, so I'm very grateful and happy that I got to work on it and experience the car. So yeah, if you liked the video, please leave a like and please subscribe. We'll greatly appreciate it here at Xclusive Autoworks. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you in the next video.